We see heroes in the world all around us. These are the stories that uplift us, the things that remind us in the hardest of times we can find the best in people. This week we are looking at the hero's journey. This is a fictional and for us a fantastic journey that a hero goes on. And even though these heroes encounter the same things heroes in the real world face, all these external obstacles, the hero's journey in fantasy, like perhaps all fantasy, is primarily wrestling with intangible aspects of human existence. These questions about what does it mean to be human. Some of the best examples are actually some of the first. The Epic of Gilgamesh and the Odyssey, some of our earliest epics in writing, are epics where, of course, the hero faces all these supernatural and natural obstacles and fights and wins, but is ultimately wrestling with the question of mortality. What does it mean to be mortal? What does it mean to be human in the face of that mortality? And this message, this internal struggle, is, I think, what is perhaps distilled and refined into fairy tale versions, these abbreviated versions of the hero's cycle. We're going to be looking at two fairy tales, the tale of Juan Bobo, which is from Puerto Rico, and the tale of Harry Rucky, or Ashapelt, which is from Ireland. And we're going to be taking both the male and female characters on a hero's journey and a heroine's journey and seeing which one fits. Are they heroes? Are they heroines? And once we've got the structure down, we can ask questions about why does this matter? Why do we care that these characters go on a heroic journey? What does it mean for us as a reader? What for perhaps the society that created them? So as you are thinking about these things, perhaps you also want to think about, does this apply to the fantasy works that you are reading? Is this something that could help you go from summary of plot into analysis as you're looking forward to your close reading project? It's also something you're going to keep encountering in this class in things like Lord of the Rings, this massive fantasy epic. Why does it still matter to us that some hobbits go on a journey to destroy a ring in Middle-earth? Going to look at it in superheroes. It's really the plot of pretty much every superhero tale I know, which is this journey and this return to this world to make it a better place. So, think about this structure, about what it means. You're going to start by listening to Matthew Winkler. He's going to go through the hero's journey in about 4 minutes in a TED Talk, one of the best summaries of the hero's journey I've ever heard. Then we're going to look at the heroine's journey, which is what Maureen Murdoch went to Joseph Campbell and said, you know, the hero's journey, I don't know if it fits for heroines. Perhaps they go on a different journey. We're going to go through those, and then at the end you're going to apply this to one of the fairy tales that you chose to read, that free reading, and see how and where it works there, and hint, it might not always work. So get some snacks and your mixtape and get ready to embark on this hero's journey. Look forward to what you write.